Today topic is transistor as an switch. Transistor as an switch. So now I am draw the switching times of transistor with waves. After that I will explaining what is the time delay, rise time, turn on time, storage time. So these are all discussed now. So now I am explaining the switching times in transistor. Switching times in transistor. Switching times in a transistor. Switching times in a transistor. So here due to capacitive effectives in a transistor, the output does not follow its input. The output does not follow the input because of the capacitor. Okay, now I am draw the waves. So this is the input waveform. So figure A, input square wave input. Next one, all of you observe these waves. According to this, I will explaining what is the delay time, what is the storage time. So here 'here up to here constant, after that reduced. So here to here 10%. This is the 10%. Here also 10%. Next one, here also 90%. Pulse width 50%. Here also 50%. 0 volts. This is 0 volts. Figure B, output pulse. Here 100%. So here to here, that is one more. Here also this is the TR rise time. This is the TD delay time. This one T arm. So here T off. Okay. So this one storage time TF, fall time. This one fall time. This is the fall time. Switching times in a transistor. So the transistor, how much time, delay time, how much rise time, what is fall time. These are things that I am explaining. Okay. So here, what is the time delay? The output interval between the beginning of input pulse and the output voltage or current, to reach 10% of its maximum value is defined as time delay. Once again I am explaining what is the time delay. The time interval between the beginning of the input and the output voltage or current to reach 10% here, to reach 10% from here to here, this is 10% of the maximum of its maximum value is defined as time delay, TD. Time delay is represented with the TD. So here to here reaches from 0 to here, that is called delay time. So here to here is delay time. Next one, rise time, TR. So here rise time, from here to here rise time. What is the rise time? I will explain. So the rise time is the time required for the output to change from 10% of its final value to 90% of its final value. So 10% to 90%. That is called the rise time. So from 0 to 10 is called the delay time, 10 to 90% is called the rise time. Please to remember, from 0 to 10%, 0 to reaches to 10% of its maximum value is called the delay time. What is the rise time? From 10% to of its maximum value 90% is called the rise time. Okay. So turn on time, T on. This is the T on. What is the T on? Transistor on. So here, the sum of time delay and rise time is defined as turn on time. So T on is equal to TD, delay time plus rise time is called the transistor on. So here, so T on, not appear here, I am right. Here T on equal to TD, delay time plus T on. Delay time plus rise time is called the T on time. Okay, T on time. Next one, storage time. So for example, T on is approximately 40 nanoseconds for a high speed switching silicon transistor, switching silicon transistor, maximum 40 nanoseconds. Next one, what is the storage time? Here, TS means storage time. Okay, so F means fall time. TF means fall time. So TS plus TF is equal to T off time. Storage time plus fall time is called the T off time. What is the storage time? So what is the storage time? The time interval between the end of the input pulse, trailing edge, and when the output falls to 90% of its maximum value is defined as storage time. Okay, so maximum value 100 to 90%. This is called storage time. So maximum value is 100 to 90% fall. So this is called the storage time. That is called the storage time. So once again I will explain storage time. The time interval between the end of the input pulse, that means trailing edge, and when output falls to 90%, of its maximum value is called the storage time. Next one, So here fall time. What is the fall time? So here this is the TF, fall time. So the time interval during which the output falls from 90% of its maximum value to 10% is called as fall time. So here fall time from 90% to 10%. This range is called the fall time. This range is called the fall time. What is the turn off time? The sum of storage time and fall time is defined as turn off time. Thus TF. So here, so T off time is equal to the storage time plus fall time is called the T off. T off time. T off time equal to TS plus TF. So this is the T on time. This one is a T off time. Very simple. T on time. Delay time plus rise time. That is T on time. T off time, storage time, and storage time plus fall time is called the T off time. Okay. Next one, pulse width. Pulse width. The time duration of the output pulse measured between 250% to 50% levels of rising and falling wave is defined as pulse width. So here 50% rise time, 50% fall time. In between is called the pulse width time. Pulse width. So rising of 50% here, falling of 50%. So in this one is called the pulse width. Called the pulse width. So this is the switching times in a transistor. Very important. For example, approximately 75 nanoseconds of time in a transistor. That okay, 75 nanoseconds. So in on time in a transistor, on time is 40 nanoseconds. On time is 40 nanoseconds. Off time is 75 nanoseconds. Okay, so this is the switching times of transistor. Thank you.